Hi, I'm Annie Thoe, and I am a Feldenkrais assistant trainer, and I also teach nature awareness. And I'm going to be teaching a workshop working with a rock. And rocks are a really quick way to connect us to our skeletal support. The other thing that's really wonderful about working with nature and working with a rock, for instance, is that rocks bring you to the moment really quickly. And in this time when we're really pulled into either thinking about the future or the past, there's nothing like nature to bring you into the moment. And so I invite you to join me, and we're going to be doing a lesson that really helps with connecting your hand, shoulders, head, and spine using a rock and using an orbiting kind of lesson, simulating the moon and simulating other bodies that affect gravity, that affect our ability to focus, to be in alignment, and also in the moment.